Mr. Speaker, I rise today on behalf of concerned Pakistani Canadian community members, including Dr. Barbara Rana, Mr. Saib Pannu, and Mr. Muhammad Akmal Gundara, to address the alleged recent killings of unarmed protesters in Islamabad supporting Imran Khan. A symbol of justice and democracy, Khan inspires millions striving for transparent governance. Despite political persecution, his leadership has fueled a movement for unity, accountability, and electoral fairness. His supporters continue to advocate for human rights and democracy. Canada must stand in solidarity with people of Pakistan who continue to stand up for their rights and freedoms. Ongoing human rights violations cannot be ignored. We must act now to